You're not just practicing medicine, you're building a future. And it starts with IPAM, celebrating 2 decades of leadership in aesthetic medicine. IPAM is the original physician-led organization that's trained over 10,000 licensed professionals. From Botox and fillers to medical weight loss and GLP-1s, we deliver real-world, CME accredited training that builds your expertise and grows your practice. At IPAM, success isn't just measured in patient outcomes, it's measured in confidence, clinical mastery, and practice-ready skills. With unlimited access to the IPAM Learning Lab, your path to a successful aesthetic practice is always just a click away. Plus, get listed in our Certified Medical Provider Directory and connect with patients who value certified ethical care. From coast to coast, we've helped thousands of physicians and nurse practitioners grow thriving aesthetic and weight management practices, elevating patient care, advancing medical aesthetics, defining what comes next. This is the IPAM